Good morning to all. I welcome to all of you in this lecture session. This is the lecture number 3 of Turing machine. In the previous lecture, we learned the working of Turing machine. That is, we check how can a string will be accepted by a Turing machine and how it can be rejected by a Turing machine. And addition to this, we also learned some numerical problems. In the previous lecture, we learned how we can construct a Turing machine corresponding to a regular languages. To make a Turing machine corresponding to a regular language, it is the easy portion. But in this lecture, we learn how to construct a Turing machine corresponding to a non-regular language. If the given languages are non-regular, then to construct a Turing machine becomes difficult. So the first problem which we are going to solve in today's lecture is this: construct a Turing machine for this language. Here the given language is L equal to 0 power n 1 की power n such that n greater equal 1, right? That is, in this case you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this language. Clearly this language is not a regular language, because in this example the number of 0 and number of 1 are equal. Therefore, this language cannot be a regular. In this lecture, we shall learn how to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this language. So when you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to a language, first you have to analysis the strings which are belong into this set. What pattern of the strings which are belong into the set? First you have to identify. So we identify the string which are belong into this set like the following. All the string which are belong into this consist of n number of 0 followed by n number of 1s. The sum of the strings which are belong into this set are this: 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, etc. Now you have to think how machine move from initial ID to final ID. That is, now you have to think a process how can a machine accept all the strings which are belong into this set. So you have to think. The strategy which you have to use here is like the following. Initially, machine starts at the initial state Q0. Machine scan the tape string. If the current tape symbol is 0, then machine change its state. Replace the current input symbol 0 by another tape symbol. And also the head of machine move in the right direction. When machine move in the right direction until 1 appears in the tape. As soon as 1 appears in the tape, machine replaces 1 by some another tape symbol and return to back. Move in the left direction and change its state. Next, machine move in the left direction till leftmost 0 appears in tape. As soon as machine be reached at leftmost 0, its state becomes Q0. We repeat the whole process till any 0 in the tape. As soon as all zeros are deleted from tape, we check number of ones in tape. If there is any ones in the tape, then machine reject the string. Otherwise, machine may accept the string. So according to this procedure, the machine will accept all the strings which are belong into this set. Okay, now the Turing machine corresponding to this set, now it will be constructed as a following. So this Turing machine will be consist of following number of states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. The input symbol will be 0 and 1. The tape symbol here are 0, 1, X, Y, B. The initial state is Q0. Bottom symbol is B. We consider Q4 as a final state. So here we replace 0 by X tape symbol and we replace 1 by Y tape symbol, right? So that is when you have to remove 0, then we replace 0 by X, and similarly when you have to replace 1, then you have to replace 1 by Y. Okay, now we design the PDA corresponding to this length. So this is the transition diagram for the constructed PDA. So in this case, now we analyze how this transition diagram is drawn. So initially you have to start from initial state Q0. So this is the initial state Q0. As soon as 0 input symbol appears in a tape, then machine change its state from Q0 to Q1 and 0 is replaced by X, and also machine move in the right direction. So these three actions will be applied here. The first action, machine change its state from Q0 to Q1. The second action, 0 is replaced by X, and third action is machine, the head of the machine move to the right direction. Okay, now at the state Q1, machine only move to the right direction till 1 appears as a input. So clearly here before 1, 0 and Y tape symbol may appear in a tape. So when 0 and Y appear in a tape, machine only move the right direction. Machine only move the right direction. As soon as 1 appear in the tape symbol, machine change its state from Q1 to Q2, right? Now 1 is replaced by Y, and also machine move to the left direction. That is, when 1 is replaced by Y, machine back to the left side. So that is the direction is changed here. When machine reach at the state Q2, machine only move in the left direction. At the state Q2, machine only move in the left direction. So when machine move in the left direction, the tape symbol which may appear in the tape will be either 0 or Y. When 0 or Y appears, machine only move in the left direction. So machine move only in the left direction at the state Q2 until it encounters X input, X tape symbol. As soon as machine encounters X tape symbol at the state Q2, machine change its state to Q0. Machine change its state to Q0, right? So here X encounter, machine change its state to Q0, and the head of the machine move to the right direction. Head of the machine move to the right direction. Okay. Now this process continue till all the 0 and 1 are removed. Till all the 0 and 1 are removed, this process continue. That is, this loop will be continue. When second 0 appears, then it will be removed by X. Again, when second one appears, this is removed by Y, and again it moved to the Q0. So this loop continue till all the 0 and 1 are removed. As soon as all the 0 are removed from the tape at the state Q0, machine encounter the tape symbol Y. As soon as machine encounter the tape symbol Y, machine move from Q0 to Q3 state. And also the head of the machine move to the right direction. Right? So these two actions will be applied when at state Q0 Y tape symbol appears. The first action is machine change its state from Q0 to Q3. The second action is machine move in the right direction. Now at the state Q3, when tape symbol Y appears, machine only move in the right direction. Machine only move in the right direction. When tape symbol B appears, machine move from Q3 to Q4 state. As soon as at the state Q3, the tape symbol B appears in the tape, machine move from Q3 to Q4. Since Q4 is a final state, it means the string is accepted, right? And machine halt at this state. Okay, so this is the process to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this language. So this is the transition diagram corresponding to the previous language. Now this is a transition table. This is another way to represent a Turing machine corresponding to a language. So you can use any method, either transition table or transition diagram. So in this example, we shown both method to represent a Turing machine. But you have to use only one method in the examination. According to my preference, you have to use the transition diagram method. So look this method. So here you have to write all the states. Q0 initial state, Q4 is a final state. Here you have to write all the tape symbol. Clearly the tape symbols are 0, 1, X, Y and B, right? Here you have to mention all the transitions functions. The transition function entry will be consist of triple pair. In the triple pair, the first will be the state, second will be the change tape symbol, and third will be the direction. So according to first rule, at the state Q0, when tape symbol 0 appears, then machine change its state to Q1 and 0 is replaced by X and machine move in the right direction, right? So like this, all the rules are here. So not explaining all the rules, these are explained in the previous examples. Okay, now we come on the verification or processing of the string accepted by this Turing machine or rejected by this Turing machine. Now consider, first we discuss the acceptance part, next we will discuss the rejection part. The first part is acceptance. Consider this string 0011. Now you have to test this string is accepted by the Turing machine which you have constructed now. So here we consider the initial ID. So this is the initial ID. You have to start from the initial ID. Clearly, according to the transition rule of the Turing machine, when at the state Q0, 0 input symbol appears, machine change its state and 0 is replaced by X and machine move to the right direction. So according to this, when this transition rule applied, the next ID becomes this. State change from Q0 to Q1. 0 is replaced by X and moved to the right direction. Now at the state Q1, when 0 tape symbol appear, so at the state Q1, any input symbol appears except 1. Machine move only in the right direction. So it means here 0 appears, it means machine move to the right direction. Here move the right direction. Now at this ID, the state is Q1 and the tape symbol is 1. As soon as the 1 tape symbol appears, 1 is replaced by Y tape symbol and Q1 change to Q2 state and machine move in the left direction. Now, so here the state becomes Y, Q2, 1 becomes Y and move the left direction. At the Q2 state, machine move only in the left direction till X appear in the tape symbol. Clearly at the state Q2 0 appears, it means machine move in the left direction, move in the left direction. Now at this ID, at the Q2 state X tape symbol appears, it now machine move to the right direction and change its state to Q0. Now the next ID becomes this. At the Q0 state, when 0 tape symbol appears, machine change its state to Q1, 0 is replaced by X. Now this next ID is this. At the Q1 state, Y appears, machine move the right direction, right? So at the state Q1, machine move only in the right direction till 1 appears in the tape symbol. So here Y appears, it means machine move the right direction. Now here at this state Q1, 1 tape symbol appear. Now 1 converted into Y and machine move in the left direction, and now the state becomes Q2 state. The next ID becomes this according to this. Here now at the state Q2, the next tape symbol is X. Next tape symbol is X. Therefore machine move to the right direction and state becomes Q0. This. Now at the state Q0, as soon as Y appears, now machine move to the Q3 state. Since all the 0 are converted into X, therefore the machine move to the Q3 state. Now you have to check the number of ones are remain in the tape or not. Now, so at the state Q3, machine only move in the right direction if Y appear in the tape symbol. If at the state Q3, the tape symbol B appears, in this case machine goes to the final state, right? At the Q4 state, that is final state, machine halt, right? That is, there is no rule corresponding to the final state when tape symbol B appears. It means this string is accepted by this Turing machine. Okay. Now we come to the rejection part. Now we consider a string which is not belong into L. So clearly this string is not belong into L because the number of 0 and number of 1 are not equal. Now you have to process this string. Start from the initial ID. At the Q00, 0 is replaced by X. At the state Q11, 1 is replaced by Y. Here at the state Q2, X appears. Now machine move to the Q0 state. At Q0, Y appears. Machine move to the Q3 state. At Q3, 1 appears, right? So there is no rule defined in the transition diagram corresponding to this combination. That is, there is no transition rule when the state is Q3 and the tape symbol is 1. It means machine halt at this situation, right? Or clearly this state is not a final state. Therefore this string is not accepted. Therefore this string is not accepted. Right? So clearly the machine which we have constructed here accept all those strings which are belong into L and rejects all those strings which are not belong into L. It means the constructed machine is correct. Okay. Now we come to the next example. The next example is construct Turing machine for this language. Look this set. This is the extension of the previous example. In the previous example we have constructed the Turing machine corresponding to 0 power n and 1 की power n. But here the set is 0 power n, 1 की power n and 2 की power n. That is one additional input symbol appear here. That is 2. That is here you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this set. So the concept of making a Turing machine corresponding to this set will be same as the concept which you have used in the previous example. But you have to do some extra things. The extra things which you have to do are described as following. Initially the machine start from Q0 state. When 0 appears, 0 is replaced by some tab symbol, let that will be X. Now machine move in the right direction till 1 appears in the tab symbol. As soon as 1 appear in the tab symbol, machine change 1 into another tab symbol Y. So machine change 1 by another tab symbol Y. Now machine again move to the right direction or till the 2 appears in the tape string. As soon as the 2 appear in the tape, machine change 2 by the tape symbol Z and move in the left direction and also change its right. So that is in the previous example machine return 1 appear in the tape symbol in the tape, and but here the machine return when the tape symbol 2 appears in the tape. Okay, so that is here we extend this additional part here. Remaining things are the same. So here 2 things are additional. First thing, you have to move to the up to the tape symbol 2, and also you have to replace 2 by another tape symbol that will be Z here, right? But here 0 is replaced by the X and 1 is replaced by Y, right? And 2 will be replaced by Z. And corresponding to you have to also change the state. Now we look the transition diagram. A Turing machine corresponding to this is this. So this is the transition diagram corresponding to the Turing machine for this language. Now we discuss that each transition rule one by one. In the first transition rule, when QG at the state Q0, 0 appears, 0 is replaced by X and head move to the right direction and also change its state to Q1. At state Q1, when 0 or Y appears, machine only move in the right direction. When at state Q1, as soon as 1 appear, 1 is replaced by Y and state change from Q1 to Q2, and also machine move in the right direction. At the state Q2, machine move in the right direction when tape symbol 1 or tape symbol 0 appears. If tape symbol 1 or Z appears, then machine only move in the right direction. As soon as the tape symbol 2 appears, machine moved to the Q3 state, and also 2 is replaced by Z. 2 is replaced by Z, and machine move in the left direction. Machine move in the left direction, right? So these three action will be applied here. At the state Q3, these 4 transitions rule applied here, which at this state Q3, machine only move in the left direction till it encounters the tape symbol 0, 1, Y or Z. If the tape symbol 0, 1, Y or Z appears in the tape, then at the Q3 state, machine only move in the left direction. Machine move in the left direction till it encounters the tape symbol X. As soon as the tape symbol X appears in the tape, machine move its state from Q3 to Q0. Machine move from Q3 to Q0 as soon as the tape symbol X appear in the tape, and also the head of the machine move to the right direction. The head of the machine move to the right direction. Now this loop will be continue and remove all the 0, 1 and 2 from the tape. When any tape symbol is removed, either 0 or 1 or 2, then we check all other tape symbol are removed or not. If other tape symbol are also removed at this situation, then that string will be accepted. How it can find? So when at the state Q0 the tape symbol Y appears, it means all the 0 are removed. Now you have to check all the 1 and 2 are also removed or not. So to check this, you have to move in this direction. So when at the state Q0 the tape symbol Y appears, machine move to the state Q4, and also the head of the machine move to the right direction. As soon as at the state Q4 machine encounters Z or Y, machine only move in the right direction. Machine only move in the right direction when machine finds Y and Z tape symbol in the tape. As soon as at the state Q4 machine finds the blank symbol, machine move to the Q5 state, and also the head of the machine is also moved to the right direction. Clearly Q5 is a final state, therefore machine halt at the final state, right? So therefore machine halt at the final state, because there is no rule defined at the Q5, that is final state. It means machine halt at this state. So when machine will arrive at this state, if number of 0 and number of 1 and number of 2 are equal, and also these are in this order. If you have to given any strings which are not in this order, but the number of 0 and 1 and are equal, number of 0, 1 and 2 are equal, then that string will also not be accepted by this Turing machine, right? So this is the complete Turing machine corresponding to this language. Okay, now we shall see the processing or the verification of this constructed Turing machine. So first we check the acceptance part, and second we shall test the rejection part. The first string here we consider which is belong into the given set. So here we consider the string 001122, right? So clearly in this string all the numbers are same. Now this string must be accepted by the constructed Turing machine. So now you have to start from the initial ID. this is the initial ID, right? So according to the transition rule defined in the Turing machine, at the state Q0, when 0 t input symbol appear, machine change its state to Q1 and 0 is replaced by X and the head move in the right direction. Therefore, when you apply this transition rule, the next ID of the machine will be this. Similarly, when at the state Q1 the tape symbol 0 appears, at the state Q1 the tape symbol 0 appears, machine only move in the right direction. Machine only move in the right direction. So here machine only move in the right direction. So this process continue till first one appears. So here first one appears. Now 1 is replaced by Y and Q1 changed to Q2. So 1 is replaced by Y and Q1 changed to Q2 and the head moved to the right direction. Now the next ID becomes this. At the Q2 state, machine only move in the right direction till it encounters the first 2. So here the 1 appears, it means machine move in the right direction. So machine move in the right direction. At the state Q2, the 2 appears as an input. Therefore, machine change its state and 2 is replaced by Z tape symbol and also move in the left direction. Now machine will back to the left direction and also changes its state. So now the state becomes Q3 here. Move the left direction and 2 convert into Z. At the Q3 state, machine only move in the left direction. The machine move in the left direction till first X encounter. So before X, the tape symbol Z, tape symbol 1, tape symbol 0, tape symbol Y appears as a tape symbol, and in this situation machine only move in the right direction. As soon as, so clearly look here, at the Q3 state 1 appears, machine move in the left direction. Here is at the Q3, Y is also appear, machine move in the left direction, right? So here Q1 is mistake, here Q1 will not be available, right? So this is the mistake. Now at the Q3 state 0 appears, machine move the left direction. Now here look here, at the state Q3 X appears. As soon as at the state Q3 X tape symbol appears, machine move the right direction and also the state change to the initial state. So now the machine goes to initial state and move to the right direction. Now you have to repeat the same cycle. We have started from Q0, now again we reach to the Q0. So now in this situation machine again repeat the cycle. So the number of cycle which you have to repeat depend on the here. If the number of 0 is n, then you have to repeat n times cycle. So here number of 0 is 2, therefore you have to repeat 2 times cycle. The first time cycle you have repeated, now you have to repeat the second time cycle. At the state Q0, 0 appears, 0 is converted into X, Q0 change into Q1 state, machine move to the right direction. So after applying this transition rule, you will get the next ID is this. So the next ID is this. So at the state Q1, as soon as Y appear, machine move in the right direction. Here at the state Q1, 1 appears, therefore 1 is converted into Y and Q1 becomes Q2 and machine move in the right direction. So when you apply the transition rule at this ID, the next ID becomes this ID. At the state Q2, since Z tape symbol appears, therefore machine move to the right direction, right? So at the state Q2, 2 tape symbol appear, therefore 2 is converted into Z and machine move in the left direction and also change its state from Q2 to Q3. So after applying this transition rule, we get the next ID is this. Now here the state is Q3, the tape symbol is Z, it means machine move only in the left direction. Machine move the left direction. At the state Q3 Y appears, machine again move to the left direction. At the Q3 Y appears, machine move to the left direction, right? So here at the Q3 state, the X tape symbol appears. As soon as the tape symbol X appears, machine move into the right direction and state change from Q3 to Q0 state. Now the next ID becomes this. At the state Q0, when tape symbol Y appears, machine goes to Q3 state. Machine goes to Q4 state here. So as soon as at the state Q0, Y tape symbol appears, it means all the 0 has been deleted from the tape. Now you have to check all the 1s and 2 are also deleted or not. If for this you have to scan to the right side. If there is no 1 and no 2, then machine move to the final state. So now check. So at the state Q0, Y, the machine move to the state Q4, right? So according to the transition rule defined in the previous transition diagram, machine move to the Q4 state. At the Q4 Y appear, it means machine move to the right direction. Now this ID becomes at Q4 Z, it means machine move to the right direction here. At the Q4 state Z appears, machine move to the right direction, right? At the state Q4, blank symbol appears, therefore machine goes to the final state. So Q5 is a final state, machine goes to the final state. Okay, so since machine halt at the final state, it means this string is accepted by the Turing machine, right? So clearly this string belong into the set, therefore this is accepted by the Turing machine. So this is the acceptance part. Now we come to the rejection part. So now in the rejection part we have considered a string which is not belong into the set. So clearly this string is not belong into the set, right? Because the number of 2 is not equal to number of 0 and 1. So in this case machine must reject this string. If machine reject this string, it means machine works correctly. Now look like this. So apply the same process here. At the state Q0, the next state becomes Q1. At Q1 1, machine goes to Q2 state, 1 is also replaced by Y, and machine move to the right direction. As soon as at state Q2 2 appears, machine change 2 to Z and move the left direction. At the Q3 state, machine only move in the left direction. As soon as Q3, at the state Q3, X tape symbol appears, machine change its state to Q0. So one cycle is completed here. Now repeat the next cycle. At the state Q0, 0 appears, right? So now 0 is converted into X. At the Q1, Y moves in the right direction. Q1 1 converted into Y. Now the next ID is this. At the state Q2, Z appears, machine move to the right direction. Now at this ID, the state is Q2 and the tape symbol is blank. There is no rule defined in the transition diagram corresponding to the state Q2 when tape symbol B appears. It means machine halt at this state. Or clearly this state is not a final state, since the final state is Q5 state. Therefore this string is not accepted by the Turing machine, right? So here we saw when a string belong into the given set, then string is accepted by the Turing machine. But if the string is not belong into the set, then it is rejected by the Turing machine. it means the constructed Turing machine works correctly. Okay, now we are going to stop the lecture. In the next lecture we will also solve some additional problems related with the Turing machine. Okay, thank you.